now going to talk to the president of the Bella Vista Garden Club. We really appreciate what's happening here today, but I'm going to let Judy tell you all about it.
Hello, I'm Judy Jeffrey. I am president of the Bella Vista Garden Club, and we are so pleased to be here at Simple Pleasures today to celebrate our garden party, which is held every 2 years. 2 years ago, we had our first party, and it was so successful that the residents of Bella Vista asked us to do it again. We do this in conjunction with the Property Owners Association and the City of Bella Vista, which are extremely helpful in putting this all together for us. The proceeds from this event primarily go to our scholarship winners. And this year, we have 2 veterans attending the University of Arkansas.
Wow, I'm so proud of us, all of us. I also understand that the mayor, again, is going to do a proclamation to say that this is National Garden Week or Garden Day.
It is Garden Week, yes, and so he is proclaiming this week as Garden Week. It's a national event, and as a matter of fact, 2 years ago, when JB was chairperson of the garden party, we won first in the nation for the garden party that we held during Garden Week. So we hope to repeat that honor.
You will, I'm positive. Thank you so much, Judy.
You're welcome.
It's a pleasure to be here. This is always such a great event. This is event number 2, if I remember correctly. So thank you for coming out today. I know it's very, very warm. Spring sort of passed us by and we went straight to summer. But in any event, I'm going to read a proclamation for Garden Week. Whereas gardeners have a passion for nurturing the beauty and resources of the earth through the planting of seeds, the care of all plants, and the riches of their efforts, and whereas gardeners seek to add beauty, splendor, fragrance, and nutrition to our lives through the growth of herbs, vegetables, foliage, and flowers to our great city of Bella Vista. And now, therefore, be it resolved that in an effort to acknowledge the importance of gardening and the numerous contributions of gardeners, the City of Bella Vista designates the week of June the 3rd to June the 9th, 2018 as Bella Vista Garden Week, signed Peter Christie, Mayor of Bella Vista. Have fun.
Here we are today with the co-chair of the Bella Vista Garden Party, and we want to just find out how it's been for her putting this all together. Would you please introduce yourself?
My name is Beth Castle, and I am the vendor co-chair and the music co-chair. And so I have been working on this for about 8 months, and it has been a very good time to work with all of the vendors. I've got to know a lot of them real well, and I'm just very proud to, I think we have a good selection. We have some very accomplished artists here, so, and looks like we're having a good time, everybody is.
Well, let's talk a little bit about the hat contest that's going to happen later this evening.
Okay, last time we had a garden party, we had a hat contest. And so we were in the middle of planning everything, and everybody kept asking about the hat contest. And so we have, at the last minute, decided to put the hat contest in. And you can see by all of the response that we've had to it. We have a lot of response, so it's very good. We have a judge, about 3 judges that is walking around looking at the hats, and at 7 o'clock or 7:15, I can't remember exactly, we're going to ask anyone that wants to be involved in the hat contest to come up front, and then they will pick the one. So
there will be an announcement where people will know.
Yes, there will be an announcement. So.
Well, thank you, Beth.
You're welcome.
It's a beautiful party. Thank you for all your work.
It's worth all the time we spent.
So what are you going to do tomorrow? No, don't answer that. It's okay.
Well, I tell you what I am going to do. On Sunday, my husband's taken me to Indigo Sky, and I'm going to lay in their big plush beds and just relax.
Sounds like
No phone.
Sounds like a plan. Thank you. Okay, here we are with a friend of mine. Not only is she a member of the Garden Club, but she's also with the Bella Vista Community Television. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Marion Heath, and I've lived in Bella Vista now 10 years, and I have to tell you, this is the most exciting day I have seen in a long time. We're here at a wonderful venue that nobody has, even in Bentonville or Rogers. We have simple pleasures. I'm getting goosebumps thinking about it, with these wonderful waterfalls. The grounds is already done for us. We don't have to bring in the plants. All we needed to do was bring in the wine and the food, and the people came.
So let's talk about that wine. You were in charge.
Yeah. We were looking forward to not letting anybody leave here without having 2 generous pours of wine. And after they had the 2 generous pours, they had an opportunity to get a 3rd pour. All they had to do was get one of those beautiful decorative glasses that Barb did, our artist, and they got a donation for $10, a beautiful glass, and there was our wine, another one poured.
Well, thank you, Marianne. I know you worked very hard, as did everyone else. So I think we've done it again. Hi there. I am so excited to introduce you to our next vendor. Actually, you're an old pro at this. Tell us who you are.
Dana Johnson with Dana Johnson Photography.
Tell me about Dana Johnson.
Well, I was a construction superintendent most of my life, and a few years ago I decided that I'd enjoy photography, so I learned all I could about it, and give me something to do now that I'm retired.
Okay, well, I tell you, you've got lots of things today here for sale, correct?
Yeah,
Okay,
absolutely.
all right. So at any rate, I'm so glad you're back again, and I wish you the best of luck. And you're kind of just part of us now, right?
Well, kinda.
Okay.
Kinda. I'm feeling like I'm more Bella Vistan.
Hi, I'm Kathy Downard, and I am chairman of this year's silent auction. The silent auction items are made up of mainly donations from the artists in the group and the town, the club, and artists in the community. And we just put out a call saying we're going to do a silent auction. Do you have something that you would like to donate? And we got a very excellent group of items for our silent auction.
So let me ask you a question. You were talking to me earlier about a little 80-some-year-old artist.
Yes, the painting right there in front, the yellow background of the iris, was done by Mary Jane Dealey. She's 80 years old, and she's been an artist all of her life. She lives here in Bella Vista, and it's sad, but she's losing her eyesight. But she is an excellent artist, and she came up to me at last fall's farmer's market and said, I want to donate something to the garden club.
Well, aren't we lucky?
Yes, and it's a beautiful piece of artwork. And it's outdoor. It's treated for outdoor, so you can put it on a patio someplace.
Right.
Then we have lots of other items that were donated. We have very talented members in our garden club that have done lots of painting and quilting and birdhouse building, and then just donated pretty items from their house.
So tell me, what are the funds that you're raising today going toward?
The funds are basically going toward scholarships for horticulture-related students at the University of Arkansas and I believe some other universities around. But they also are used for the Bella Vista Garden Club beautification projects throughout Bella Vista.
Speaking of beautifications, I love your hat.
Thank you.
Are you going to enter into the hat contest?
I'm going to be finalizing the silent auction during the hat contest, so no.
Of course you are. Well, thank you, Kathy. We'll see you a little bit later on, and I know you'll do great. Hi, ladies. I am so excited to see you today. You're going to be in the hat contest.
Yes.
Okay, so let's do this. Tell me a little bit about what inspired you, Minnie Pearl, right here. Look at you.
Neighbor. My neighbor did. She inspired us to come. I've been busy at the Shepherd's Food Pantry all day, so I didn't have time to even do anything. So she did it for me. Thank you, Lynn.
Okay, so let's just turn around kind of slowly so the camera can see you and your beautiful hats. Wow, look at this. Wonderful. Yes. So I will see you around 7 o'clock.
Sounds fun.
Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Here we are today interviewing Doug Hall. And I understand he is a great artist. So I'm going to let you say hello to him and have him tell you all about Doug Hall.
Hi, I'm Doug Hall from Pineville, Missouri. I've been painting all my life since I was about 10. Sold my first piece of work when I was 10 years old and have been painting ever since. And I paint Eastern Woodland Indians.
Tell me, what are Eastern Woodland? Remind me.
Well, like this fella right here would be considered an Eastern Woodland Indian, like during the French and Indian War time period. This is kind of what you would have seen.
What tribes were those?
Gosh, there was lots of them, but Eastern Shawnee tribe is one that I paint a lot.
And that's your subject matter?
Yes, mainly, yes.
Are you Indian?
No.
So what's the fascination?
I don't know. It has all my life. I've been fascinated by Indians. Yeah.
So if anybody would want to get a hold of you later, how do they contact you?
I've got a little gallery in Neosho, Missouri. It's Highway 59 now, just 3 miles south of Walmart, across from the airport.
Okay, here we are today at the Ways and Means booth. Wow, I'm looking around and I see amazing baskets. So now I'm going to introduce you to the two ladies that put this all together.
Okay, I'm Marilyn,
Leanne,
and we have put 12 baskets, raffle baskets together for the benefit of our garden club. And each basket is worth over $125.
Wow. How about what's in there? Can you give that away a little bit? Just tell me about a basket.
they're all themed. And, for instance, I'm looking at the coffee basket, and we have Kahlua and mugs and 3 different kinds of coffee apron, towels. We have a wine basket with white, red, and rosé wine. Most of them have hors d'oeuvre plates and napkins to go with them, and glasses. The vitamin C basket, of course, has beach items with trays and glasses and barefoot wine and saltwater taffy. So we've themed everything according to the name on it.
Oh, this is so exciting. Now, I noticed that both of you have on really beautiful hats. You're not going to have time to be in the contest tonight, are you?
No, we're not. We hope to sell and get rid of all of these beautiful baskets tonight.
Well, I thank you. I know how hard you work, and we appreciate you so much. And again, tell us where the proceeds from this are going.
They're going for the beautification and for our scholarships.
We are in the air conditioning. It is awesome in here. Besides that, there's a lot of great food and amazing people. This is my friend, Debbie. I'm going to let her tell you her name and brag on your staff.
Okay. My name's Debbie Edmonds, and I've got a group of ladies here working very hard. We're making approximately 6,000 appetizers for tonight, so we've got a big variety. We've got a lot of ladies that are working really hard.
I believe we tested these at the garden party, at the garden club meeting, and you're having all those amazing appetizers again, right?
Right.
Okay, so in a couple of seconds here, I'm going to let me taste another one.
Okay. We've got some bread flowers with some boysen cheese with a really cute little decoration on top. So yeah, I'll let you taste it.